Thank you for calling Wandering Restaurant. Kat speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, we would like to make a table reservation
Okay, ma'am. A table for menu.
for 4 people.
Sure, ma'am. May I know when and what time?
Later at 7 p.m.
Noted, ma'am. Let me just check availability for 7 p.m.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Yes, we have several tables available at that time. Where would you like to sit, ma'am?
We would like to sit near the window to see the building and lights.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
It's Marie Dorado.
Okay, ma'am. And the phone number, ma'am, just in case we need to contact you.
0910-20-34987.
Perfect. Let me repeat your details. Your number is 0910-20-34987. And we have you down for a table for 4 at 7 p.m. tonight. Miss Marie, have you looked at our menu yet? We have a fantastic new seafood special tonight.
Actually, no, we haven't. We'll take a look when we arrive.
Sounds good. We look forward to seeing you then, Mr. Rado. Thank you for calling.